Hey guys, my name is Lara and I'm a professional trader, and it means that I make a living and pay all my bills from trading profits. Today I'll show you a super easy and effective strategy that you can use on any market and any broker. The strategy is super easy to understand, but it allows you to make a huge profit if you use it right. In addition, I will show you how to withdraw your profit from the platform and prove that it's convenient and not risky at all. So watch this video till the end and let's go! And yesterday was a really crazy night because I was trading for the whole night and I earned $6,000. So now I want to withdraw this money. It's really tough, and it is really good morning for me when I opened my Quotex account and I saw this beautiful song, guys. It is really wonderful feeling. So let's just withdraw this money. I want to start my day right. I'll go to withdrawal. Perfect. So let me just quickly withdraw this perfect amount of money, $5,800. So I'll put this amount of money here. For this whole thing, the Quotex is not so transparent. You see I'm making this withdrawal just in front of your eyes, and I used either for my payment method for network, and I used TRX20, the number of my wallet right over there. So amazing. I just have to confirm my transaction. And as you see, I requested the withdrawal of money and I have to wait 48 hours until I get my money on my e-wallet. But I'll tell you that in real life it happens much faster. So what like about the withdrawal of money in Quotex is that the commission is equals to 0. Even if you want to withdraw $52, so yes, commission is 0. It's really comfortable for me. And by the way, guys, if you want me to show you a strategy with help of which I earn $5,800, I'm sure that you are, but it's earning money for me, and I was trading yesterday all night. I definitely need some coffee. So let me just make a little bit break and I'll get to you with this strategy later. By the way, I want you to stop here for a second. I'm more than sure that after watching various videos, you still have questions about trading, my strategies, and so on. Therefore, it will be useful for you to know that I have a community of people who, like me, make a living by trading. We have a Telegram group where we analyze trading strategies in detail and share our experience. Also, they analyze in more detail the topics from my videos and sometimes even answer your questions. In addition, I regularly make real-time translation with my subscribers, and I send signals to this group so you can really earn money there with me every day and practice more often. If you're ready to move forward to change your life with me, find the link to our community of traders in the description under this video and click on it. We continue. So well guys, let's continue. Grab the coffee, had lunch, and now I'm ready to show you this perfect strategy with help of which yesterday I managed to earn more than $5,000, guys. So yes, let's continue. I'll pin up this pair. I think I will keep the same price as yesterday to show you everything in details, but with the percentage of payout is still amazing. So I have $50 in my account now, only $50, guys. And how rationally to invest this money? Of course, you have to use just 50% of your wallet, and you can trade with more than this percentage of your wallet. So that's why I'll change my invest up to, I think, $25. And it will be a good start of this trading session, and pay attention to the indicators. Those indicators that I'm using in this strategy, they're pretty simple. They're just candle channel and stochastic oscillator, but the strategy is that I'm doing all trades for 1 minute only. And of course, there are some more secrets in how you have to analyze the charts. So well, let's start with this first currency pair. So I want to invest half of my wallet in this perfect downwards movement, and I see that now the candles are below the candle channel indicator. Everything in this strategy is based most on technical analysis, and that's why I'm making this decision based on technical analysis again. So here, guys, be ready for call option right now. So guys, really nice entry point. In this video I want to show you and explain how to work with this strategy. My aim is not to work on my deposit because I already got my profit from Quotex. I just want to show you how you have to think when you're using this strategy. And here it's downtrend. You see I traded here, get a trend. You can ask me why Lara you did that, because it was pretty far from the high. And yes, you see the price has already fallen far too far. And from this point the price has to grow a little bit. It is just small moments of correction on which we can make a profit and trade against the trend, and was one of the aspects of this strategy. So let's continue discussing other aspects. Let's check Australian dollar, Japanese yen. One more trade here in order to explain you how you can trade if you see this period of correction. So, if we zoom out this picture, by the way, so 1 minute time frame, we will see that this was a strong graph of the price. But now the graph price has stopped a little bit, and now the price is trading in this range in period. So, if we draw imaginative lines, we can see that there can be a fallen wedge, and when the price breaks this level, that's really green light for us. We can enter the deal here again, and I will put again here just $50 in my investment box, and again 1 minute time frame. You can see price has already grown far too far. That's why be ready for put option right now. So well, it was amazing. As I said, even it was a green line, the price would grow higher and higher, and I managed to see that the price was already grown far too far. So you have always to rely on your own thoughts, on your analysis, on technical analysis, and the price broke the level, but anyway, this was a presented graph of the price. From after these two long green candles, the price would definitely fall down. And yes, it's one more chance for me to take my profit here again, and I would like to increase my investment. And your investment too, guys. So how you have to increase your investment? I will put just $90 here. Okay, that's not my wall because my money management is very important. So from this point, be ready for put option right now. Well, this time it's return, but I'm not defeated. I'm going to enter this deal again with the same amount of money. From the high point, be ready for put option right now. Yeah, so this was good. The second time was really successful. First test at this level, I got the return, but after one more trade, the second try was really successful. But guys, look, the market is changing. There are pretty low wicks and short bodies of the candles can be really dangerous for us, because you see, when you see dodgy candle, it could be a sign of reversal of the trend itself. So be careful when you see this candle, but it's only 1 minute time frame. You have also watched bigger time frames. For example, let's check 30 minutes time frame. What's happening there? Oh, we would see that it's a total flat line on a global downtrend. Yes, for some time there also the price would trade in this level, but anyway, when this level was broken, a trend would go down again. But we need some time. That's why let's check Australian dollar and US dollar. That's why in this strategy it's very important to trade, especially with a certain number of currency pair. For example, my favorite number of currency pair in one trading session is 3. It's most comfortable for me. And here I want to make one more trade, and I think after this representative fall of the price with Australian dollar and US dollar, a little bit period of correction is happening. Is price rational according to all the rules of technical analysis. So in 30 minutes time frame, it's a period of correction. But what's happening in 1 minute time frame? So let's see. I was studying all the free currencies all evening yesterday. That's why I can understand what's happening with all of them in global sense. So my advice to you is watch bigger time frames before going to 1 minute time frame. Here's local upper trend, and like it here would clearly see how the price is moving between Canadian channel borders, and I would trade here with $190 from this point. So be ready for call option right now. So well guys, that's perfect. As you see, again the price has grown from my entry point, because as you see the price is trading just between the Canadian channel corridor, and that's a perfect example of how you can use this strategy with these indicators. So the price is just trading between these two levels, and when the price starts the slow band of Canadian channel, it's a signal that the price would rebound and go in up direction. So I went down on one more trade here again. I pretty like the station with Australian dollar in US dollar, especially with the percentage of payout. Yesterday I made a fortune really, and I would put here $300 this time, and from this point be ready for put option right now. So well, this time the price went in down direction. You know why I made such a conclusion? Because previously I saw this doji candle with long wings above, and now there's a body of candles, and the body of the candle is pretty short. That means that this is doji pattern that can tell me about local reversal. So in the strategy you have to pay attention to patterns. You have always to pay attention to them in every strategy that you are using. But this time the price isn't going in that direction. I think maybe the reversal can happen here, but we need some time to find out what's happening there. So let's check the first currency pair instead. So the first currency is much better than others because the second one has a really low percentage payout. I'm not interested in this, and here when the price is really falling, I see a bunch of candles here. It might be a little bit risky to trade here with they're in flat line, but I see that something is changing on this market. And yes, I can afford myself trading with $500, guys. So let it be half of 1,000. Pretty nice investment, and from this point be ready for call option right now. So brilliant, guys. As you see, 15 minutes has passed and I already managed to earn thousands of dollars. I think that's a perfect strategy, and I hope that you understand the main aspect of this, how you can deal with this strategy, with these indicators, and how you can take the maximum profits of really small investments. So well, for me it's enough because yesterday I earned $6,000, guys. And if you want to get the same result, just go to my Telegram channel that will be in the description under this video, and there you can find lots of interesting tools and tips for your own profitable trades, guys. So I wish you all good luck, see you next video, and bye bye.